Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to fix Subway Surf that does not open. Does not work on iPhone, iPad. If you have any problems or have errors and crashes and so on with the Subway Surf application, I will show you how to fix it and solve it. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, and also if you have any questions. Write in the comments, I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. And the first thing you need to do if you don't have Subway Surf working. When you go in it, you have some crashes. You need to press this icon and click Remove App and uninstall. If this method did not help, the second way, put the curtain down. Turn on airplane mode. Reboot the phone, literally for 10 seconds after that turn on Wi-Fi, and go to Subway Surf. The third way is to go to the Apple Store. In the search box, write Subway Surf, and you and I need to update it. That is, just go to the application and update. Perhaps the update was old. After that, our phone doesn't support it, and it won't go in. Click Update and update. And another way is to go to Settings. Open General, iPhone Storage. And let me tell you about another thing that you might be experiencing. It's when the Subway Surf app crashes. Sometimes you go in and it crashes. That means it's the application itself that's crashing. So you have to wait a little bit, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and then go in and it will work for you. And here's another way I've shown you. Go to the Settings, open the General tab, iPhone Storage. Here you find the Subway Surf game, and then you have to click not delete but unload it. This will clear the cache in this application. Do not worry, all your data, all that you had will be saved. Click clear. After that, click reload and reload. This is such a simple and easy way to fix the application Subway Surf that does not open and does not work on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you still have any questions, write in the comments. I will read and answer. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.